I have found the most beautiful and functional touchless kitchen faucet that has given my kitchen a classy upgrade. Hi, I'm Sarah from WTI, and I want to tell you all about how much I love this touchless kitchen faucet. I hate having germy hands and then turning on my kitchen faucet to wash them off. After I get my hands clean, I still have to wash off the faucet to keep the germs away. Well, that problem is in the past. With this touchless kitchen faucet, I can simply wave my filthy hands in front of the faucet and it will turn on the water for a germ-free cleaning. Not only does this kitchen faucet help me to keep things a little tidier in my kitchen, it also looks beautiful in whatever color you decide to get it in. You will love it. The pull-down sprayer has a ball joint in it for maximum flexibility, which enables me to clean the deep corners of my sink and fill pots and water bottles with ease. Everything came very nicely packaged, and everything you need for installation is included. It comes with a battery-operated sensor that's easy to install, and it even comes with the O-rings to secure a tight fit. I absolutely love my new kitchen faucet, and I think you'll love it too. But that's just my point of view.